Craig Smith, Vice President, Haynes Construction, and welcome to our Maumee Island project. Currently, you're looking at the Clark portion of the project. Once a half-acre island will finish at around 35 to 40 acres. It's basically set up for aquatic and habitat, water quality, all brought together with federal grant money. The two more portions to this project are the Horsehoe Delaware and the Delaware portion. They will be upriver, where we're building coves and again features islands within the island, all again for restoration purposes. This project started building causeways off the mainland out, made possible with our Komatu iMC's excavators. Impossible to get a GPS person, rover pole out in 8 feet of water without a boat and safety issues. We started from land and built our way out following our cards. Our operators are very well versed. Currently on the island, we have a 210 excavator here behind me, digging out one of the pools, creating that habitat and water quality. Upriver, the 360i, and we have a long reach and amphibious excavator. They're all outfitted by Columbus equipment as well, after the fact, obviously. On the island, we have a 51i dozer and a 39i dozer. So as the project comes together, our GPS machines have made it possible. Venturing onto the islands, again, from day one, you can't put stakes, a guy in a boat, very safety possibilities, but with the iMC's, the operator itself can see everything in front of them, building their way out, keeping grade, and out here, a lot of these features are dug underwater, so even the route for the revetments and the shoreline protection, you build it as you go, all underwater. So this job will require as-built at the end, again taken with our machines, stored, and the operators take them out daily and send them to the office. So all around from start to finish, without the iMC, timing would be tremendous and safety would be a huge issue. The iMC's have definitely increased. The project itself was scheduled to complete in winter of 2025. We should be gained about 6 to 7 months on the project overall. Obviously time is money, so efficiencies in being able to build it and survey layout has been minimal. I mean, the cost to get a GPS card built compared to a surveyor on site daily, which is what this would require in a boat, there is no comparison. The profit margin with the iMC's from Komatu and Columbus equipment are probably at a margin of 5%. Just looking at a project of this duration, and surveying itself would have probably been around $150,000 to $200,000, whereas now we're doing it in-house. The cost of a card anywhere from $6,000 to $10,000, even with adjustments throughout the way. So you can look at that type of cost difference and the ability of the operator to feel sure of himself as he builds the project. As you can see out here, once built, you're not going back. Originally starting this project, we have another 210i that is working on a project in West Creek over in Cleveland area. We started this project on the Horsehoe Delaware portion with our 360 that we currently own. And for this project on Clark here where we stand, we purchased another 210i just from the efficiencies we had seen in the past. Columbus equipment has been a huge help throughout our survey process. In the past, we went through an independent Topcon dealer, whereas Columbus Equipment currently is that dealer for us. We purchase all our base stations, rovers, obviously our iMC's through them. The support is a lot of the reason for that switch in our program itself. Along with the iMC's, the two pieces of equipment that are retrofit, Columbus Equipment retrofitted them for us with automatics. Again, at the other end of this project upriver, the amphibious excavator digs constantly underwater with no sight of anything that, to make grade. Everything is in that cab of that machine on that monitor that Columbus Equipment provided. As this project wraps up within the next year, we have another island project in the Maumee River here, upstream. We will look to use our iMachines, Columbus Equipment support for that project, as well as multiple others, as this is our niche in the construction industry, is water work, underwater work. With the iMachines, it makes it all possible.